Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the brand new iPhone SE 2022 against the older generation iPhone SE from 2 years ago, 2020. So how do these two differ in terms of video recording? Well, right now we're recording 4K video with both phones, 4K 30, and it's time to compare the quality. Do you see any differences? Of course, we'll find out as we move around. First thing we test is just the video stabilization. So follow me around, testing the video stabilization. Stopping right here and just quickly panning the cameras up and down to see how they adjust to different exposures. The change to the brighter skies should be gradual and nice, then going back to the shadows and back to me. And just really quickly, I will step out of the frame so we can test the continuous autofocus feature. Phone should be able to focus on my face, switch to background, my face, background, my face, once again the background. So let me know if there were any differences you see, and this is the quality of the iPhone SE 2020 against the 2020 edition. Alright, so next up I also wanted to test the two cameras, the iPhone SE 2022 versus the 2020 edition in low light and dim conditions, like in this room here. It's pretty dark right now. So what do you see? Do you see any differences? And also follow me around. Let's go into the next room, which is also pretty dark. So just to get an idea about the kind of video quality that you can expect from these two phones. It's a bit brighter here, just a tiny bit, but still kind of dim conditions. So do let me know if you see any differences, and thanks for watching.